Hey people, good evening. So this is going to be a quick tutorial on, it's not even a tutorial. Let's take tutorial out of this. This is just a quick review of a scale, perceived stress scale. And say you were doing a research question that had to do with a perceived stress scale or any type of scale. There are a couple of things you want to find. You want to look on the internet, preferably Google Scholar or through your local library online, what have you, and look for an article that goes over the validation process for the tool. Okay. And the reason why you want a validated tool is because if it's validated, then you know it's gone through some rigor and the items in the tool belong together, okay, because it's been tested already. So how do you figure out if it's been tested already in terms of reliability and validity? And I'm speaking in generalities, but I just want you to get the gist of this. So you look through the article, you look for words like validity or reliability, Cronbach's alpha, factorial analysis, confirmatory analysis, um, exploratory analysis. Now, here you have, it looks like they have definitely done some validity and reliability. Your Cronbach's looks like it's, except for that one, PS4 is 0.6. That's not good. But it looks like it's been tested as some of the items, some of the PSS scores. There's several versions of the PSS score, performance stress score. Some of them have 14 items, some of them have 10 items, some of them have 4 items. Looks like the 14 item one has a pretty good Cronbach's alpha. It should be 0.7. So a lot of these have 0.7. And what you're seeing here in this particular on this particular page is that this person, there's been several people that have used this Cronbach's and they validated it. And they tested the validity, group's validity, hypothesis testing was done, criterion validity. So this is a good tool to use. Now, usually you'll have some instructions for how to use the tool. So I think with the PSS score, there's certain items, and I know this because I just recently I've used it. So there's certain items in the tool that you would, I think, let me see if I remember. You add them together, and then you divide by the number of items, and then you multiply times 10. I think that's the PSS score, one version of the PSS score. It's how you score it. And I think the range is from 0 to 100 or something like that, or 0 to 40. I can't remember offhand, but you want to find an article like this one where it's quite obvious that they did a lot of rigor to figure out if this tool is reliable. Because the last thing you want is a situation where you've got this tool and the items don't belong together and they're in the same construct. And then you have, analysis and you're making, forming conjecture and you don't really know what's going on because the items don't belong in the construct. So this is just a quick commentary on that. I'm not even gonna edit this video. I'm just gonna pop this up, and if you have questions, you can ask me, you can email me, and that's about it. Have a good evening.